Hello friends, this is tutorial number 89 in this Java programming language tutorials. Okay, we already know the interface and the abstract classes, but in this couple of next tutorials I want to practice a little more with both of them, and we will gonna create one application. One application with cars, and we will resolve it. First we will resolve it using interface, and then we will resolving using abstract classes. Okay, and let me first close this previous application, and let me create a new package. Okay, it will be 13. Okay, and we need to create interface. Let's create interface will be car. Okay, and we will need a couple of fields for string brand and string model, integer performance, and we will need a float. It can be fuel consumption, okay. One couple more fields we will need. Float, we can have acceleration from 0 to 100, and we can also have maximum speed. It can be, but we can put also float maximum speed. Okay, and now we will need a couple of classes. Let me create a class. It can be BMW. Okay, but it will be BMW implementation class, EMPL. Okay, now we will that class of BMW implementation will implements car. Okay, let me save, and let's add the unimplemented methods. Okay, and let's start. We have a brand. It is a string, and string brand equals to brand will be BMW. Okay, and we will return a brand. Okay, we have a model. String model will be equal to, okay, 520 would be okay. And we will return a model. But we forgot just one thing. We forgot. We can also print. We will print a brand plus brand, and we can also print a model plus model. Okay, now let us continue. We have a performance and integer performance. Okay, it can be 90. Let's print it. System out print line performance plus performance. Okay, and we will return performance. Okay, let's continue. Okay, fuel consumption. Okay, we can put simply float consumption. It doesn't need to have the same name. And consumption will be 7.5, but we need a F because it's a float. And let's print it. Fuel consumption, it will be plus consumption. Okay, and we will return consumption. Okay, now let us continue. We need float acceleration equals to, it can be 6.3f. Okay, and we will return acceleration, but we need also to print system out print line acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometer per hour. It will be plus acceleration. Okay, and we need a maximum speed. Float maximum speed will be equal to 215.8, and we need a F, of course. And we will first we will print system out print line maximum speed and plus max speed, and we will return max speed. Okay, I think this should be good. Okay, and now we want at least 2 more cars, but let me first Control Shift and F and Control and save. Okay, this is good. Let's create at least two more cars. The second car, it can be Mercedes. Okay, and we'll also implement a car. Let us save and let's click here, but no, we will not click. I have a better option. Let me just create another class, and we didn't. I don't know if I show you. Okay, here we create a class of Mercedes, and I usually when use interface I using the name Mercedes implementation class. That's no problem if sometimes I don't remember now if I show you, but if I forgot to show you, I will show you again. If you create a class and the name was not exactly, you put a wrong name, or we can simply do a refactor, and we have option rename, and we will simply type Mercedes implementation. Okay, and let's finish. Yes, finish, and it's okay. As you can see, we changed the name of the class. Okay, the same way you can change the name of the package. And now I wanted to create another one more car, and it can be Audi. Okay, this time all German cars. Okay, next time will be Warburg, I promise. Okay, Audi implementation, and let's finish, and it will also implements a car. Okay, save it. And now I didn't want to implement because to save some time, it is, I think the better option is to here from the BMW implementation class we can copy all of these. We can copy. Okay, let's copy. And we first in the Mercedes, let's paste it. And also here in the Audi class we will paste it. I think it will be better. And let us now, we will just change the name of the, for example, brand will be Mercedes. Okay, the rest should be fine. Okay, we need a model of Mercedes. Okay, 190B. And now performance. Okay, 80. Fuel consumption. Okay, let's we will put 8.5. And acceleration, okay, will be 7.3. And maximum speed will be, okay, 205.5. Okay, and that should be okay. What's the problem? Okay, I think that I have one parenthesis missing. Okay, Control Shift and F first. Let me see. Okay, and now we will use Control and S. I think everything should be good here. We change the variables, and now we need to do the same thing with the Audi implementation class. Okay, brand will be Audi. The model will be 90. I hope that you remember of that model. Very powerful. Okay, performance. I don't know performance, but I remember that he has a good performance and he spent a lot of. Okay, fuel, and okay, and it will be 5.5. Okay. And maximum speed, okay, we will put 264.4. okay, it will be okay. And of course we have left one parenthesis. Okay, I will put it, and I will do Control Shift and F to indent the code. Okay, and I will save, and that should be fine. Okay. We have our classes, Audi implementation, Mercedes implementation, and here is the BMW implementation. Everything is working good. And in the next tutorial, we will create application with main method, and we will print these cars. Okay, I really hope that you like the video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and I will see you shortly in the next tutorial.